Good morning. Good morning. Acres of Angels is out here today doing our walk, diabetes walk. We're bringing it into the community. I am Edna Griggs, CEO of Acres of Angels, and these are my angels behind me, and also my friends and that are here to walk with us this morning. This organization this year, we actually partnered. I partnered with, where's my cousin at? Where's he at? Come over here. Come over here. New Covenant Christian Tabernacle Church. We will start in Acres Homes doing this, and we will actually move it in Sunnyside will be where our next walk is. So when we get ready, we'd like for y'all to come on and join us on that side. So thanks for partnering with us. I also have one of our sponsors that really made this happen, because my organization, I am not wanting to charge a registration fee to do this walk. I want people to come out to walk. I want the community to get involved and walk. So I don't want them to have no excuse to say that we're paying a registration fee to walk. So it is free. I like Best Choice Roofing. Laurie's here today with me. She's actually the sponsor that helped sponsor this today. And we thank you for being here and doing that. We also have some special guests. We got Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee will be coming in shortly. We have Councilman our City Councilman Jerry Davis. Someone from his office is here. We also have Laurie. Laurie, where you at? Laurie Robinson is actually here with us. And anybody else special guests that I need to? Freddie Jackson with the Houston Black Firefighters. We also have Jackie is here with the City of Houston, the Acres Home Multipurpose Center, but she's actually over a lot of the other centers. So after we do the walk, I'll let them come back and kind of share some of their information with you all. So let's get ready to walk. Whoever, I don't know how long y'all are walking, but let's hit the track and let's go walking. Hi, I'm Edna with Acres of Angels. We just finished our 1 mile walk, and I just want to thank Laura with Best Choice Roofing, who's out here today, one of my sponsors for my event. Laura, I just want to tell me, how did you enjoy the walk today?
It was a wonderful walk. This is a great event, and I really appreciate you putting this together.
And if you would, tell us a little bit about Best Choice Roofing and actually what you're doing here in the city.
What we're doing, we want to give back to the community, so we do events like this, but we also, we are a multifamily and residential roofing company. We help homeowners regroup with their insurance companies. Basically, we go up and we'll help them decide whether they have damage or not, and we'll work with their insurance companies, and so it helps individuals out, because most people don't get up on their roofs, and we'll do that for them.
Well, I want to thank you because you also did that for me. You replaced my roof. And I also want to thank you for, when I met you guys, is that you actually end up helping me with a senior that was 87 years old and her roof was in bad shape. And thanks to you all, you put a brand new roof on her house at no cost. And I want to thank y'all very much for that. And thank you for being out here today and walking with us.
I had a leaky roof for 3 or 4 years, and I tried different organizations. And I could not get any help from anybody. The FEMA sent representatives out, and they went up on the roof. They said I did not have enough damage for FEMA to help me. So after a year, I tried some other agencies and none of them came through. Every time it would thunder, I'd get my buckets and pan and put them where I knew the water was going to come out.
And you did have a bunch of them.
I had a lot of them. In two or three rooms, I had buckets and pans. This Edna, what's her name? Griggs, that was working in Acreage Home in the community for people that needed help. Someone told her about me, and she came down here and told me that she wanted me to come to one of the meetings that they were going to have at the community center, because they were going to have representatives there from different companies to help the poor people and the senior citizens. So I went and I met this guy. After discussion, they had each one to state what their problems was and what they needed. And I met 2 or 3 people that were there representing their companies. And finally, this company got up and they were talking about what they were able to do and what they had done. And they came over and they got in contact with me, and they came out. I couldn't believe it, because I had had so many different promises and none of them came through. It was just hard for me to really believe that I was really actually getting a roof. And they promised we'll come out there within a week's time and see what has to be done. And surely they knocked on the door, and it was the same guy from this company, BCR, is that what it is?
Yes, Best Choice for
wow.
yes.
That
was Pete.
Huh?
That was Pete that you talked
Pete came here, but I talked with him, the same one that I had talked with at the community at the Acreage Home Center was the one, he and another guy.
Dante.
They did come and knock on the door. Well, I've been weak, to my surprise, as I said, I had so many different offers and none of them had came through. But surely they got up, one got on one side of the house, the other one got on the other side of the house, and they went and they wrote what I needed, and they told me that they were going to come and take care of my roof. And I thank God. Sure enough, the next couple of weeks, here come the truck, knocked on the door and said, well, Miss Ford, we're here. Here I am with my workmen, and they came and brought the materials and started on their roof. And in 3 or 4 days' time, I had a new roof. And I thank God for them.
We were honored to be able to help her. When we try to give back to the community as much as we can. That's what it's all about, everybody helping each other out. And that's it's part of what we feel as a company. We want to give the community and just make it work. I mean, it's just the way it is. We all need to help each other. Mm-hmm. So we try to do our part when we can.
It is my good wishes to be able to be out here with the Acres of Angels and to specifically talk about the importance of the prevention of diabetes. I cannot speak from the perspective of an extended medical scientist, but I can, over the years of service, indicate to you that one of the national agenda items in health disparities is diabetes. And one of the driving forces of the Affordable Care Act was the enormous disparate impact of lack of access to medical care for African Americans and minorities. And this effort that Edna has put forward, which is for advancement of information, is crucial. We know that the onset of diabetes and childhood diabetes can lead to any number of conditions, particularly shortened life for children into young adulthood, the impact on other bodily organs, the shutdown of bodily organs, the loss of limbs when you get to the ultimate circumstances, and ultimately the loss of life. And then without access to medical care, a poor quality of life. But we also know that diabetes is preventable. We in the minority community, Hispanics as well, Asians, have lent ourselves to the phenomenon that it's in the family, or we get that. And I would suggest that there are diseases in white America that families will say, well, we have that, but we don't have to have it, and it is preventable. And we can help make sure that we have a better quality of life, and we don't have to have amputated limbs. We just need to know how to eat. We need to know how to temper our eating. We need to know how to have access to medical care. As I indicated to you, the Congressional Black Caucus wrote a massive paper on health disparities, of which I was part of. We drove that message for the Affordable Care Act, and there's a large sector in the Affordable Care Act of preventative care, but also about disparities in health care. And as I said, stroke, heart disease, diabetes, and some aspects of cancer are particularly in the African American community. Hispanics have a high rate of diabetes as well, and other diseases driven by way of lifestyle, meaning stress and food. So and exercise. Best Choice in Roofing, we're delighted for her to be here as a sponsor and a supporter of this effort. And we're delighted, Edna, for your continued effort. This is growing. It's worthy of growing. And this is the Acres of Angels on the occasion of the Diabetes Walk 2015, the number 3. I'm very delighted to support you because it benefits all diabetes-related efforts for minorities in Houston. And I thank you for really putting this disease in the minority community on the map. Where 2 or 3 are gathered for a good cause and in his name, this is going to grow and grow and grow. And I'm glad to be here on the 3rd. I think I was here before, or at least called in. So I'm on the ground floor, and I look forward to thousands marching around in Lincoln Park. But what I look forward to is thousands being impacted rightly and in a good way, that their lives can be extended. So Edna was in the White House, so she's now in the Lincoln House over here. I did not want to boost her up anymore, but I do have to let you all know that she was at the head table with the president. Not only did we have a private meeting with the president and the vice president, he couldn't control himself and kissed her cousin. Then he led us into the breakfast where they were at the head table. As they say, the 18th Congressional District doesn't do anything half.
That's right. That's right.
I'm delighted to have had them there, President, Vice President, delighted to have had them there, and we will be part of the annals of the White House history. Yes. Because we will be part of his pictures. We might even show up, Sister Primus might even show up in his library. Yeah. So we're just very pleased to be able to be of help, and this is a recognition of you, Edna, and all of you.
I'd just like to thank you for everything that you do in this district, in helping and doing the thing that you're doing. You are just wonderful, and I love you. Thank you for making that happen for us. My cousin had been trying to do that for many years and hadn't got there. So I thank you for helping us make that, her dream come true. I also want to thank Cedric and Lincoln Park. I want to thank you all for allowing us to be here again at the park. And we will be coming back and doing great things. I'll be coming back and talking to my seniors and the kids about my experience at the White House. So thank you again for making this happen. And Acres of Angels will owe you guys for the rest of our lives. Thank you so much. Thanks to the city councilman. Thank you as well for coming out.
Something about the resurrection that keeps going all week long, doesn't it?
Stop.
Oh my God, I can't wait to get that online.
Thank you. What's your name?
Hi, Jackie. Jackie just finished her 1-mile walk out here today. Jackie is here with us from the city of Houston. Jackie, tell us a little bit about what you do out in the community.
First, I want to thank you for inviting the City of Houston Health Department. I'm with the Acres Home Multi-Service Center. We provide services to the community, and we partner with organizations such as yours. We provide eligibility service if a client wants to qualify for Harris Health System, which includes the Gold Card, Medicaid, Women's Health Program. We also have a senior program at the Multi-Service Center. We also have a daycare. We have WIC. We provide, if anyone wants to rent a facility for private events. We do that as well. We refer and link clients to different services in the community.
Well, we just thank you for being out here today with us. We have a lot of things going on. We have a community garden that's getting ready to start out in Acres Homes over with our seniors, and we just appreciate everything that you're doing for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank all of y'all for coming out here today with the Acres of Angels and enjoying our walk today, and we appreciate it. And I just want to have everyone to kind of talk and introduce themselves. The group, starting at with Tiffany.
Hi, my name is Tiffany. I am one of the Acres of Angels, and I'm really happy about the work that we're doing, and especially working in the community. So this is a wonderful experience for all of us, so thank you.
I'm Vonda Washington, and I'm one of the Acres of Angels, and I support education and an advocate for education through the Acres of Angels, and it's just great to be out here this morning with my friends and community members.
My name is Marie Robinson. I'm a member of Acres of Angels, and I really enjoyed myself with the walk this morning. Thank God.
Hello, I'm Terrell Holiday. I'm a member of the Acres of Angels, and we're going to be doing great things here in the community, and there'll be a lot of more things to come through Ms. Edna Griggs, our CEO.
And thank you, Ash. Y'all know who I am. She just introduced me. I'm going to pass the mic. This is my daughter, Shawna. I'm passing the mic to you.
My name is Shawna Jones, and I'm also a member of Acres of Angels. I'm really happy to be here. We're doing such an amazing job in the community, and I'm really proud of this woman, my mother. She wants me to tell you that I'm a teacher.
My name is Mary Simon, and I'm with Acres of Angels, and I love the work that Edna is doing. Oh!
Can't say me. Good morning. I'm Patrina Mills, and I met Edna at AT&T years ago, but she's just a wonderful doll, a jewel, an angel, everything. Thank you for the CEO. Praise the Lord, and everybody have a blessed day.
Hi, my name is Golden McClenna, and I'm Ankle Angel. This is my first year, and I enjoyed it. Thank y'all for having me.
Hi, I'm Ray Thompson. I'm a member of Acres of Angels. We're a group that's doing wonderful things in the community, helping out and informing the people about different health issues that concerns the community.
Hello, I am Andrea. I'm just a big supporter of Acres of Angels. Go Acres. Go Angels.
And back to our CEO, Ms. Griggs.
Yeah! Take it back! Oh! Where that deal? Good! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Take this back, let's go!
Thank you, Reverend Holiday, for being out here today with us, and thank you for partnering with Acres of Angels to make this happen. I want you to just share a little bit about your vision and what you're wanting to do and coming out here and helping us, and then also we will be going back into the Sunnyside area to help you as well with doing a walk and educating our people on that end as well.
Amen. My name is Pastor Ralph Holiday, New Covenant Christian Tabernacle, 9049 Brandon Street, Houston, Texas, 77051. We're partnering up today with the Acres of Angels. Me being a member of the Acres of Angels, myself and my cousin, Edna Griggs, we are grateful to be here to support you in this diabetes walk. We want to bring awareness to all of those who suffer with the illness of diabetes and let them know that it is not a cure, but there is a solution. We can eat better, we can exercise, and we can treat our bodies right. And we want to bring that awareness to them in the communities in which we live, in the communities in which we pastor and serve. And this is the fourth one here in Acres Home, and we want to bring it into the Sunnyside area. We want it to be the first one in the Sunnyside area to bring awareness to those who suffer with the illness of diabetes in that area. Our vision for the church is to have those who are healthy, not only spiritually, but healthy physically as well. For we cannot serve our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ spiritually if we're physically sick.
Thank y'all so much for being out here today and walking with us. We appreciate that. Tell us a little bit about you, Maria.
Hi, I'm a precinct chair and a community volunteer activist and want to help people be healthy as well as learn about services that our government provides.
Hi, I'm Shawna Reagin. I'm a former judge, former Democratic judicial candidate, and now working for the Houston Federation of Teachers. And I'm a diabetic, so I always like to participate in these things Edna puts together for diabetes.
Thank you, Dr. McKinney, for coming out here today. We appreciate you coming out here. I want you to just tell us a little bit about what you do and how you actually are helping diabetics as well.
Yes, hi, I'm Dr. Laurie McKinney. I'm a podiatrist, and I also work with whole food nutrition. And what I do is I really educate my patients on diabetic foot care. So I just work within our community to help patients to keep their feet on them.
And she is my doctor, and my feet are really happy feet because of her. So I thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Hi, Randy. Thank you so much for coming out and walking with these ladies today. And we definitely like to see men that's out here with us today. Thank you. And if I'd like for you to just tell a little bit about yourself and why you're out here today with us.
I'm out here because you asked me to come out here. That's why I'm out here. But I'm also out here because this is a good thing. Diabetes is something that affects our communities, and one of the greatest weapons against this is education. And by doing something like this, by providing education, but also providing exercise, that's a very good thing. You are so motivating and inspiring to me, Miss Griggs. You and your Acres of Angels. Sometimes people who have political offices, they are the ones that are in the spotlight, but they are not the ones that actually get things done. The people who get things done are people just like you.
Thank you.
And so I thank you for what you do and what you will be doing in the future.
Thank you so much. But we also want to thank you for coming out here. And we also have been hearing something in the wind about what's getting ready to happen. Now, I know that's not why you're out here today. You're out here to walk with us, and we appreciate that. But I also want you to share that with us as well.
I intend to run for the 139th state representative seat.
And we will be there to support and help and do whatever that we can to help you. Okay. Well, we're here again with our city councilman, Jerry Davis. Thank you for coming out today. Sorry that you wasn't here to do the walk with us, but we are so glad that you made it. Thank you again for just doing the things that you do in our community to make a difference for our seniors, our kids. We appreciate that. And we'd like for you to have a word.
Well, ma'am, thank you. It's a pleasure to be out here. You know, one person can't do it all. We just represent you in the office, and so we need strong people like yourselves out here bringing awareness to diabetes, bringing awareness to other things in our neighborhood, and we appreciate you all because if it weren't for you, we wouldn't be able to do the things that we can do. So we're here to support and help. And
Laurie, thanks for coming out and walking with us today. I just want to thank you for coming out today, and I want you to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about you.
Okay, sure. Thanks, Edna. I was glad to be here. Now, one of the reasons why this is important
important is because I had family members that died from diabetes. Started out with amputations, and within 2 years from the amputations died. So this is very important for us to exercise, especially if it runs in the family. But I'm Laurie Robinson. I'm running for Houston City Council for the at-large 4 position in November, so I hope I can gain the support. But things like this is what we have to concentrate in our communities. We have to get the education information out so that people can understand that diabetes doesn't have to be a death sentence. It could actually be something that you can work with, but it's about exercising and eating. So I think this is a great thing that you're putting on, Acres of Angels and Edna at the lead. So I'd like to be a part of it again next year. So I appreciate the offer.
Thank you so much, and we will make sure that happens.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We just got through doing a 1 mile walk with Freddie Jackson, and I would just want Freddie to tell you a little bit about himself, and we definitely thank you for being out here today.
Thank you, Miss Edna. It's Freddie Jackson, retired Houston firefighter. Did 33 years with the Houston Fire Department, 30 years of it in the Acres Home community, serving the citizens of Acres Home. Matter of fact, we still have partnered with, I guess it was the Acres of Angels when we did the food drive.
The food drive for the seniors.
Yeah, we partnered with them, and we did, I believe it was 20 or 25 seniors with food baskets for Christmas. And we are going to continue to partner with Ms. Etta and make sure we continue to take care of families in Acres Homes. Of course, you know, I think I was adopted by them about 30 years ago, and so I'm actually really from Fifth Ward, and so, you know, a lot of people in Fifth Ward is mad with me because I kind of like took over Acres Home. But anyway, the walk today for diabetes, basically, I really enjoyed the walk, and next year, hopefully we can have more firefighters out from our organization to help with this needy cause.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Dorothy, thank you for coming out today and being with us. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Dorothy Wagner, and I am the community organizer for Acres Home. Oh, I need to look at you. Okay. Okay, my name is Dorothy Wagner, and I am the community organizer for Acres Home Independent Heights. And I'm excited to be out supporting Acres of Angels with their diabetes walk. And
also tell us what's the business that you actually have out here in Acres Home as well.
yes, we have the Acres Home Barber College, which sits on Ferguson and West Montgomery. We've been there for 22 years serving the Acres Home community.
And she's also going to partner with us, and we're going to do the seniors. We're going to have a senior day where they will come out and get their hair fixed and also get their hair cut. So we thank you for partnering with us. So our group is here to actually help the community. This is not an organization about money. Our organization is about education and educating our people on their health issues. Acres Home is high in diabetes. Also, they're high in the heart, with our heart association. We have a lot of heart attacks in this area. So we're starting here to educate our people. Next time we're going to knock on doors and we're going to bring out some of these people that are at home that's in this community and bring them out, and then we'll be going to Sunnyside with our next walk. Thank you so much. I just want to thank everybody for coming out today and taking this great day to do this walk. I want to also thank Laura with Best Choice Roofing for coming out and supporting and being a sponsor of our event today. And all of our angels just want to tell y'all thank you, and we will see you next year.